avoid it. These are smart guys. They know what was at stake, And LeBron James, by the way, if you look at people talk about, oh, LeBron needs a signature game. There's a whole list of signature games except that one against the Mavericks, game 6 that they lost here in Miami in 2011 for a championship. No, I can't concoct any scenario as we sit here now by which Miami doesn't come out and step on the Spurs. I know the Spurs are a great franchise. They got 4 championships to their credit. They got a great coach, Greg Popovich. But I can't see it, Irvin.
Yeah, well, first of all, we got to realize this: the pressure is still on the Heat to win this thing because the big three, because they have the best player in the world, LeBron James, and then you're thinking Mario Chalmers scored 20 points. Are you going to get that from him? Dwayne Wade is still hurt. Can he come back in a Game 7? So I still give the Spurs a puncher's chance to win Game 7, but if you're the best player in the world and you still have the big three and Chris Bosh, I don't see how he can lose this game.
This is where the personality and the demeanor of the San Antonio Spurs actually plays into their favor. They never get too high. They never get too low. They stay the course. They have the best coach in the NBA on their sideline. Tim Duncan, they're not going to be able to guard him in Game 7, just like they weren't able to guard him in Game 6. Will he have more in the tank? But here's the thing that the Heat have in their favor. LeBron James, Chris Bosh's defense, and you can still go to Norris Cole or Haslam, 2 players that got DNPs.
2 things would worry me if I'm Miami. 1, Chalmers is trick or treat. Let's be honest. He should change. His nickname should be Halloween. Like Game 2, he was great. Game 6, he was great. Disappeared in Games 3 through 4, 5. And then the other problem, they played their best when Dwayne Wade wasn't on the court in the 4th quarter. Did you notice that? That's when LeBron took over, when Dwayne was on the bench. And I wonder, is there going to be a little alpha dog issue between those 2 guys?
Not in Game 7, Bill. Game 7.
You would think they would just say, hey, LeBron, you're the best player in the gym. Take us home.
And then last but not least, the Heat, they're a younger team. And when you go into overtime, the Spurs starters played a lot of minutes. And LeBron James played 50 minutes, but he's a much younger guy. And when you got a chance to win your 2nd ring, I think he's going to be lights out in LeBron.
And he's superhuman.
Hard to think about that shot. That's it. The series is over if Ray Allen doesn't hit that shot with both feet behind the arc and then Bosh. His 2nd block shot in the waning moments of the game to preserve it. Miami Heat hosting a Game 7 for everything. It's going back to the studio.
The Miller Time.